Sweet Violets. There once was a farmer who took a young miss in back of the barnyard to give her a lecture on horses and chickens and eggs, and told her that she had such beautiful manners and suited a girl of his charms, a girl that he wanted to take in his washing and ironing, and then if she did, they would get married and raise lots of sweet violets, sweeter than all the roses, covered all over from head to toe, covered all over with sweet violets. The girl told the farmer that he better stop, or she'd call her father and he'd call a taxi, and got there before very long, for someone was doing his little girl right for a change. And so that's why he said, if you marry her son, you're better off single, for it's always been my belief that marriage will bring a man nothing but sweet violets, sweeter than all the roses, covered all over from head to toe, covered all over with sweet violets.